Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Chambers, obviously. Today, one of your assignments is to go through and listen to how I set up my Schoology page. First, your Schoology page does not look like mine, but my classes are indicated with the health class emblem in the pink background. So if I go ahead and click on one, it should default to materials. You can choose how you want your Schoology to default by choosing here, and it will say default landing page if you want it to be on updates or on materials. In my class, I want it to be on materials. And then I'm going to make sure I save the changes. Okay, and then if I come back to the course, again, you should see our picture, the title of the course. This is where you should be. And you will notice that I have things already in our Schoology page. First, we have our Welcome to Health and PE. This is actually going to change, but you can take a look at it if you'd like. Supplies needed for class. This will go through everything we need for class. Every single day, we will use our school-issued laptop. The expectation is that the laptop should be charged when you come to school. However, you should bring your charger in case you would need to charge it throughout the day. You will need a folder, a pen or pencil, it does not matter to me, and earbuds or headphones. We will be doing a lot of where you're sitting and you have to listen to something and then do an assignment with it. So it's in your best interest to have these with you. A lot of kids keep them in their string backpack, in their locker, but I don't have any to borrow. And if you don't have them, you have to listen to things on closed captioning. So if I go back, this is how we access our online book. You're going to do something later on with this, but it should show you how to access it. This is always in our course, so you can access that at any point. Next is tech help. If you are somebody who is just getting back to us with Schoology, or you've never used Schoology at all, you can access this, and there are videos that will take you through how to do different things. How to check your grades, how to participate in discussions, how to submit your assignments. All assignments will be submitted on Schoology and not shared from OneDrive. So last week we did week 1, and if you click on those folders, they are all dated, and it tells you what we did in those classes. If you go into today's folder, this is week 2, and now we have September 6th and what we're doing today. All the material that you will need for the class is in the folders. If you should be absent, you can always print it out on your own, and then you can check it when you're absent. You can check it when you get back, but going backwards in Schoology is very simple to find missing assignments. Your grade book or your grade in my class is updated through Schoology. So if you click on your grade book, you will see your name with a grade. Okay, obviously we haven't had anything graded, so that's not going to be in there. But if you want to know your grade in my class, you're going to check grade book. If you want to know if you're missing assignments, you're going to check grade book. What I do then is I take all the grades from Schoology and I upload them to PowerSchool. Sometimes I don't upload every day. I usually upload them only once a week. So your current grade, most up-to-date grade, is in Schoology, and when I transfer it to PowerSchool, that's when mom and dad see it, or that's your official grade in my class. But they might not always match up. Okay? Up here are some notifications. If I go to my settings, and you can do this on your own, you can set up notifications. If you want to put your your phone number in, you can do that. And anything posted to different classes, you can say if you want it to come to your email or to your phone, like a remind. So if I put more material in, or I put an update, these are kind of how I use, you know, if we have a test coming up or a project or something you need to know, you can simply have that go right to your phone. If you're getting a lot of notifications and you don't want that many, you can turn them off. Okay, so you can go here and turn it off or on, each one of these. And then of course you're gonna wanna come down here and hit save at the bottom. All right, so if I go back, different things here. Let's see, your account settings. If you want your name to be something different, if I want it to be Miss Chambers, if you want to, you know, make sure all of this is correct, and then you're going to want to save your changes. And I was going to show you one more thing. If I don't like my picture, I don't think you can change your picture, but you can change your picture over here on your profile. And now I can edit my picture. You can choose it to be whatever you want on your profile. There's my contact information. Anything you send to me in Schoology goes right to my email. All right, so that is how my Schoology page works. Thanks for watching.